Dana Bluetooth app on your smartphone and you're ready to go. The Soleno Minimo proudly delivers best-in-class noise levels and is an expert navigator. It tackles up to the narrowest spaces with ultimate precision. The Bluetooth app easily lets you define areas in the garden and the desired schedules. The intelligent robotic lawnmower.
This is the 2Ways Garden Hose Splitter. In your backyard, you may only have one faucet. This is super ideal. The two spouts are fastened with metal bolts and won't disconnect.
Flexzilla Garden Hose makes working in your garden, washing your car, or just enjoying your yard the carefree experience you deserve. The difference starts with Flexzilla's super flexible hose that doesn't kink under pressure. It's lighter than conventional hoses, stands up to tough use, and stays flexible.